Miranda. Nandito ba siya? Alright, so our first winner is hindi siya present today, but because we are generous, bigyan natin yung prize niya. Para na naman. Alright, so the presents ko. Ayan. The name is actually given by Miss Diane. Under David Francisco. Okay, so again, our first winner is David Francisco, Chinel Caranda. Alright, so sorry for the mistaken information. Again, only the present individuals here are going to receive the raffle. So, more of chances to get double winnings or double gifts from SNRDC Santa Cruz branch. So, huwag natin patagarin pa. We have already our second winner here at my end, and it's none other than Miss Pinky Mercado! From David Francisco. Miss Pinky. Minsan orange, minsan blue. And siya si Miss Red. Alright, next winner is Mr. Roberto Borja. Anyway, this is our next winner. Mr. or Miss Sai Alfaro. Alright. Is it Sai or C? Sai. Alright. Congratulations, Sai from David Francisco. Our next winner, Miss Joan Martinez. From Tetinan, Realty. Alright. Our next winner is Miss Cindy. Saidi. Wala ako si Ma'am Cindy. Oh no! MRS, from MRS. Miss Cindy. Wala po. Alright. How about Miss Katrina Lisser? Alright, from Guestland, congratulations, man. Hold up, Bob. Alright. Our next winner is Alright, our next winner is Miss Devil from MRS Gold. Wala.
Sayang ano. Pero bakit ano dapat sibulasiyan nila yun?
Alright, our next winner is Miss Ana Managsong. Wala dito.
Bunot yung wala. Lahat ng ano yun, lahat ng yung nasa invited lahat.
Sumirado ka wala din eh. Alright, our next winner is none other than Mr. Just kidding. Miss Saidi.
Yung pala yung in-invite ka.
Beneran.
Ay, kasi
Sorry. Ang dami palang Cindy or Saidi.
si Mabi. Ay, nakabenta ka.
From Ateneo Realty. So sorry.
Wow, sino kaya yan?
Candy.
Si Tita Randy, wala.
Tapos meron Candy. Ibalik ka ba sa
So sorry.
Hindi sa attendance kinuha. Gusto mo invited. Alista.
Sorry again.
Alista na.
Our next winner is Lavi Mendoza. Alright. Congratulations, ma'am.
Taon, maswerte na. Talaga nakapawag siya. Dahil na nanalo yan, nanalo ka lang. Meron ka ng isa. Baka t-shirt yan.
Our next winner is Miss Saidi Trillian.
Totoo na, ang daming side kasi na.
Mali mo, meron kong pakalo mamaya. Siyempre yung mga walang natawa kasi pag naubos yung pangalan, reshuffle ulit. Options, meron pa tayo may mga pamilya. Our next winner is Michelle Cagayan. Wala alam ko. Next is Miss Gemma Arneza. Wala How about Mr. Jomel Chavez?
Inuubos yung...
Next winner is Miss Amina Esguerra. Wala din. How about Mr. Ryan Villegas? Alright. Here is Mr. Ryan. Our next winner. Alright, congratulations po, Sir Ryan. Our next winner is Miss Maria Ana Banda. Alright. Our next winner is Melody Ramos. Congratulations po.
Yung kay Tita Kento, bibigay.
And also our next winner is Leorly Anyon Nuevo.
Norly.
Alright. Congratulations, Ma'am Yorlie. Picture po.
Si ano? Pia, parang iba din ang
And our last winner for tonight, for our first raffle draw, is Mr. Lloyd Mangay. Mangay. And sir, congratulations po.
Asawa ni ano. Yung kanina na ating nakasabay. Asawa ni muna ka pa.
Hindi pa naman ako nagpakunti na.
Si Annabel. Oo nga, di ba yung kasabay natin doon?
Alright, stand up lang po, ma'am. Alright, our next contestant is Miss Charito Tiken.